Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers, today we are starting our new lesson, lesson number 7. I have written whole lesson on the board, so focus on the board. First I will read the sentences, then I will translate, okay? And please, you have to concentrate how I am reading the sentences, okay? Because in Arabic it is most important to read the sentence properly. It is most important. If you could not be able to read the sentence in proper way, so you could not get the Arabic proper, okay? So ready to listen to me? In Arabic, الدرس السابع, lesson number 7, okay? Al-Abu, father, the father asked, أين ذهبتم بعد الدرس يا أبنائي? Where did you go after the lesson, oh my son? Okay, मेरे बच्चों, आप लोग दर्स के बाद, लेसन के बाद कहाँ गए थे? Al-Abna, the sons reply, ذهبنا إلى الملعب. We went to the playground. ذهبنا إلى الملعب. We went to the playground. Al-Abu, the father asked, أكرة القدم لعبتم أم كرة السلة? Look at here, كرة القدم. Do not read كرة القدم because it is مفعول مقدم. Okay? Did you play the football or basketball? كرة القدم, football, and كرة السلة, basketball. Did you play the football or basketball? Al-Abna, sons reply, لعبنا اليوم كرة القدم. We played today football. We played football today. हमने आज फुटबॉल खेला. لعبنا كرة السلة في الأسبوع الماضي. في الأسبوع الماضي it means last week. في الأسبوع الآتي next week. Okay? So we played today football and we have played the basketball in last week. Al-Abu, the father asked, أما ذهبتم إلى المكتبة اليوم? أما ذهبتم? क्या तुम नहीं गए? You did not go to the library today? Did you not go to the library today? Al-Abna, sons reply, Bala, why not? Dhahabna, we have gone there. हम वहाँ गए थे. Al-Abu, the father said, ماذا قرأتم هنا? What did you study there? तुमने वहाँ क्या पढ़ा? Al-Abna, قرأنا الصحف. صحيفة جمعه صحف. It means newspaper. Okay, صحيفة. We have read the newspaper. Okay, हमने वहाँ क्या पढ़ा? Newspaper पढ़े. Al-Abu, the father says, your father asks, أسمعتم الأخبار من الإذاعة اليوم? Did you listen? Did you hear the news today? क्या तुमने आज खबरें सुनी? Al-Abna, sons reply, Naam, yes, سمعناها. We have heard them. Ha for news. Okay, Al-Akhbar. Al-Akhbar is a broken, that's why we have used ha, not who. Okay? एक बात मैं कहता चलूं कि इस किताब में जो लेसन है वो कनेक्टेड है प्रीवियस चैप्टर्स से या प्रीवियस बुक से. सो प्लीज फोकस. ओके, ईच सेंटेंस आर कनेक्टेड with the previous lesson. Grammar, whatever you have done before, it is coming gradually in the next level. Okay, like sami'naha, yes, we have heard them. Al-Abu, the father asked, min ayyi idha'atin sami'tum? From which broadcast did you heard? तुमने कौन से ब्रॉडकास्टिंग से सुना है? Al-abna, the sons reply, سمعنا من ثلاث إذاعات. We have heard from the 3 broadcasting unit. हमने 3 ब्रॉडकास्ट जो सेंटर्स होते हैं वहां से सुना है. कौन कौन से हैं वो? मिन इदाअत रियाज ब्रॉडकास्ट एंड काहिरा ब्रॉडकास्ट एंड लंदन ब्रॉडकास्ट. ओके. Al-abu, the father says, سمعت أن بلالا مريض. I came to know, I came to listen, मैंने ये सुना है, أن بلالا مريض, that Bilal is a sick. وأنه في المستشفى, and he is admit in the hospital. Look at here is anna and inna. Okay, so I have heard that Bilal is sick and he is admitted in the hospital. असहीहुन हादा, is it correct? क्या ये सही बात है? Al-abna, the sons reply, Naam, yes, hada sahih, it is correct. Shafahullah. Okay, it is a kalima du'a'iyya. May Allah bless him. May Allah get him shifa. Okay, may Allah grant him shifa. Like that. If you wanted to say to second person, you will say Shafaakallah, Allah tumko shifa de. Okay, Shafahullah, Allah usko shifa de. Like that. Al-abu, the father says, Ameen, Ameen, Allah Ta'ala usko shifa de. उस पर father ने क्या कहा? Ameen. متى دخل المستشفى? When he was admitted in the hospital. वो कब एडमिट हुआ था हॉस्पिटल में? Al-abna, sons reply, دخل قبل 3 أيام. Okay, دخل قبل 3 أيام, he was admitted before 3 days. Al-abu, the father says, أين الكتاب ذو الغلاف الأحمر الذي كان في غرفتي. Look at here, it is about zu, zawu, zatu and zawatu. We have already done in a previous book. Okay, volume number 1. So أين الكتاب ذو الغلاف الأحمر الذي كان في غرفتي? Where is the book which has a red cover and which was in my room? वो किताब कहाँ है जो लाल कवर में थी और मेरे कमरे में रखी थी? أرأيتموه, have you seen it? رأيتموه, it should be رأيتمه, but here is wow. We are seeing here wow is extra wow. So about this we will learn inshallah later, but now just remember it is also used so many places, okay, in the Quran also. So I will talk about that, okay, not in this lesson, inshallah, it will come very soon. أرأيتموه, it should be أرأيتمه, but you cannot use like that. That's why you have to say أرأيتموه. Okay. Yusuf says, أنا أخذته البارحة. Bariha means yesterday night. I have taken on yesterday night وقرأت نصفه, and I have already read it, half of it. मैंने उसका निस्फ पढ़ भी लिया है. निस्फ, रुबा, थुलुस. Okay. Ruba means quarter, nisf, half, and thulus, 1/3, like that. Al-abu, the father says, وَأَيْنَ الْمَجَلَّةِ الَّتِي كَانَتْ تَحْتَ ذَاكَ الْكِتَابِ, and where is that magazine which was under that كانت تحت ذات الكتاب, which was under that book. Bilal, هذه هي, is this that majalla? Al-abu, the father says, la, no. Al-majallatu dhatul ghilaf. Now here zatu and here zu. for feminine zatu for majalla, and masculine zu for kitab. Okay. لا المجلة ذات الغلاف الأصفر. The magazine which was covered in yellow, which was covered by yellow, which has a yellow cover. Marwan says here in the, it is, I have this. Here in the, वो मेरे पास है. Okay, I have that. أخذتها اليوم, I have taken today. मैंने उसे आज लिया था या मैंने उसे आज लिया है. Okay, now I have written the remaining lesson on that board. Please focus there. Now here on the bracket, يرن الجرس, bell is ringing. فيقوم مروان, so Marwan stands. ويفتح الباب, and opens the door. وتدخل أخواته, and his sisters enter. Okay, now look at here. البنات, daughters, says السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. यहाँ पर ये हाल बयान हो रहा है कि क्या हुआ कि ऐसी बात चल रही थी, conversation was continue and the bell rang. Okay, like that. Al-Jami, so all replies wa alaykum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Al-Abu, the father says ayna dhahabtunna ya banati, where did you go, oh my daughters? Here abna'i, oh my sons, and here banati, oh my daughters. Al-Banat, daughters reply dhahabna li ziyarati al-mudira, we went to see the principal. हम प्रिंसिपल की जियारत के लिए गए थे, उनसे मिलने गए थे. Al-Abu, the father says, your father asks, amashaytunna am dhahabtunna bisayyara, did you go there by walk or by the car? Al-Banat, the girls reply, daughters reply, mashayna, we went there by walk. Li anna baytaha, look at here, anna inna, ismu inna. Okay, ismu anna. Li anna baytaha, because her house is nearby school, our school. हमारे स्कूल से बहुत ज़्यादा करीब है उनका घर. हुआ बैन al-masjid wal-madrasa, it is between the masjid and madrasa. Al-Abu, the father says, awajadtuhunna fil bayt, did you find her in the house? क्या तुमने उनको पाया वहां पर? Al-Banat, daughters replies, Naam wajadnaha, yes, we have found her. Jalasna indaha thulutha sa'a, we stay there thuluth sa'a, it means 45 minutes. وخرجنا من بيتها في الساعة الخامسة, and we came out from her house at 5 o'clock. Okay, हम वहाँ से 5 बजे निकले उनके पास से. The mother says, أرأيتن المكنس يا بنات, did you see the broom? तुमने झाड़ू देखी है क्या? بحثت عنها كثيرا وما وجدتها, I have searched a lot but I could not find it, मैंने बहुत तलाश किया लेकिन मुझे नहीं मिली. मिकनसा, it means ब्रूम कह लो, या आप कुछ उसका जो नया वर्ड भी आता है, I do not remember right now. Okay, जिसे आप कहते हैं ना मशीन से जो चलाते हैं उसे भी मिकनसा बोलते हैं, मिकनसा इलेक्ट्रॉनिया के नाम से. Su'ad replies, أنا وضعتها تحت السلم هذا الصباح. Sulam means stair. Okay, S-T-A-I-R, stair. I have put it under the stair in the today morning. Today morning I have kept it under the stair. Now Marwan. Okay, one sentence are remaining, so focus in your book because there is no place to write, that's why. Marwan, ya ummi, oh my mother, afi thallaja ma'un barid, is there a cold water in the refrigerator? Nahnu itash, we are thirsty. Nahnu itash, हम प्यासे हैं. Al abshir, abshir means get a good news. Okay, abshir, खुशखबरी है तुम्हारे लिए. You have a good news that fiha ma'un barid, there is a cold water, wa asiru burtaqal, and also orange juice. Okay, so it is abshir का माना है. It is abshir, get a good news. Not only a cold water, there is also a orange juice. So now we have finished our lesson number 7. Now we have some exercise. Inshallah, we will do it. We will do in our next video. Jazakumullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.